detectives. You're just in time. Detective Harper here, and Detective Arthur too. Oh, Arthur, you're the silliest detective ever. Today, we've got a big case, the mystery box. Will you help us solve it? Here's how it works, detectives. I'll read the clue, and you shout out what's hiding in the mystery box. Ready? Clue number 1. I'm round, I bounce, and Arthur loves to chase me. What am I? A ball. Okay, next clue. I'm soft, cuddly, and you hug me when you sleep. A teddy bear! I keep your teeth shiny and clean morning and night. What could that be, detectives? A toothbrush! I have pages, I tell stories, and you read me at bedtime. What am I? A book! Well done, friends! We're on a roll here. I'm yellow, you peel me, and I'm sweet and healthy. A banana! Okay, next clue. I'm colorful and waxy. You use me to draw and make art. What is it? A crayon! I go boom, boom, boom when you hit me with sticks. A drum! I sit on your head to keep out the sun. No, Arthur. You're so silly. It's a hat. Okay, Harper Helpers, this is the last clue. You wear me on your feet when you walk. Shoes! Great work, detectives! You solved all the mystery box clues. But wait, there's more. Look. Detectives, to finish the case, you must search the house for hidden clues. Clue number 1. I keep food cold, I go burr, and I have 2 doors. What am I? No, Arthur. That's the cupboard. It's a fridge. Clue number 2. I'm soft, comfy, and you sit on me to relax. Yes, Arthur. Good detective work. It's a sofa. Oh, look, another clue. Clue number 3. I'm cozy, covered in pillows, and you sleep in me at night. A bed! We did it! With your help, detectives, we found all of the clues. Wow! Detective medals for all of us! You're amazing detective friends. Give yourselves a big clap. See you next episode! Detective Harper and Detective Arthur